Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-25C-TERM-KEY-PACE production timer counter with a wired keypad controller. So this is a standard product, and what this is typically used for is to set the pace production for various manufacturing or production facilities. So any company that needs a pace counter that determines the pace at which their products get made per second, or the amount of units that get made per second. This is what this unit is used for, and how it works is the user powers the unit and then sets the seconds per unit, or the units per second, to count up via our wired keypad controller. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this unit and how it is meant to work. So as you can see, we have our wired numerical keypad controller that is directly wired into the inside of the closure via a terminal ID block. So as you can see right here, we have our 0 through 9 numerics, and the pace can be set up to 100 units per second. So as you can see right here, we have our seconds per unit button right here. We have our units per second button at the second part right here. We have our pause and resume button, and we have our enter and start. So first things first, we need to set the desired amount of seconds for the user to count up. We want this counter to count up via, let's just say, 10 seconds per unit. So we just press this button right here. And as you can see, the LED lights are flashing now. And now I'm going to input 10 seconds. Now I'm going to hit the enter and start button. And as you can see, every 10 seconds, the digit will increment by 1. So we're just going to wait 10 seconds approximately. And as you can see, every 10 seconds, the digit will increment by 1 every 10 seconds. So that's 1 unit that's being made every 10 seconds. So I'm going to pause count up feature, and you do that by pressing pause and resume. If I press pause and resume again, it'll resume the count. I'm going to press it again, and now we're going to showcase the units per second. So let's say there are about, let's just say, 5 units that are being made per second. So in that case, and I should say that while it's on pause, you can't input any values. So let's just say we want to input the number of units per second. So in other words, we want to say, so just press the button right here. Now let's just say we want to have like 5 units are being made per second. So now I'm going to press 5 right here. Then I'm going to hit enter and start. And as you can see, the counter is incrementing per second. So that indicates how many products are being made per second. So I'm going to press the pause and resume button. And then once they find a specific stopping point, they'll be able to determine this is how many products are being made, or how many units are being made per second. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, it's a tough 14 gauge aluminum fingerprint resistant black powder coating enclosure. Its display size is 2.3 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 120 feet. The number of digits that this unit has is 4 digits, and it can count up to a total of 9,999. Power type is a 120 to 240 VAC power wall adapter. And lastly, for accessories, we have our wired keypad with 24 keys pre-programmed in, along with a pause and resume button, a start and enter button, along with a set seconds per unit and a set units per second. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-25C-TERM-KEY-PACE production timer counter with a wired keypad controller. Thanks for watching.